155 at 20. So
wow.
it plays from 15 to 55.
Man,
yeah,
that's really good work. So it's like a 6.5 order, or?
It's like a ported enclosure. Like it's just a huge ported enclosure.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. He's cooling off, or can I go in? Before you demo, could you give me your info and your name? I'm doing a video.
Yeah, close the door for me. I'll play some lows for you first.
Sure.
So
what's your name? What else in here?
So my name's
Yeah, I got it. Wow.
So my name's Cody.
Okay.
I got 6 SAV2 15s.
Yep.
On a Assault 6K. Daniel Powell built this from Car Audio.
Nice.
Does a 158 at 35 and 155 at 20. So
Wow.
it plays from 15 to 55.
Man,
yeah,
that's really good work. So it's like a 6.5 order, or?
It's like a ported enclosure. Like it's just a huge ported enclosure. There's no front port. There's only a rear port.
Okay.
But this is not a front. You know, so it's a huge
just,
hole basically.
Yeah. All right, I'm ready.
It's DJ Ruckus.
You can't help me, no one can. It's like I'm moving in Las Vegas. I haven't got the Vegas ones. Lost the back.
Oh my God.
So open your door.
Yeah.
And I'll give you a loud demo.
Okay.
That was 7 feet.
Wow. There we go. Yeah. See? Thought there was only 3, there's 6.
Yeah, my bad.
Oh no, I knew there were 6. Just a lot of people won't.
Yeah.
you fucking with the wrong one. Boy, you fucking with the wrong one. This ain't no pig with you. Watch the niggas get a home run. Watch them haters, that's a home run. I ain't playing with you niggas. I'm a fucking villain. I'm the realest damn criminal. Fuck them niggas if they doubt it. Man, I'm ripping up. But so is the money counter. I been getting low. About to pay myself allowance that I'm saving like a bell. I keep it on what else. If there's someone phone, that's the day I go to hell. Been playing on the show. They ain't make it in the credits. I'ma tell them all. Tell Stevie, don't let no more bitches in the hotel. Niggas gotta get to work.
Maybe it's that seat up like that.
I appreciate it, man. Thank
Hey,
you.
If you pull that seat back and have her sit in here and have her face out that way, give you some more videos.
Oh, we're good, man. We got enough. That
Okay.
was a lot. I really. What was your name?
Cody Hood.
Cody.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Cody. Really impressive build. Good job, G-Con Audio.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.